Good day to you and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's math tutorial, I'll be solving this system of logarithmic equations. Stay tuned to the end, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so right now. Now let us call log m to base 4 minus log n squared to base 3 equals to minus 1 equation 1, and we call log 1 over m squared to base 0.25 plus 9 log n to base 27 equals to 5 equation 2. Now from the first equation, we're going to apply this law of logarithm that states that the logarithm of x raised to power a to base y is a times the logarithm of x to base y. Therefore, equation 1 becomes the logarithm of m to base 4 minus 2, applying that law there to the second term on the left hand side. Log m n to base 3 equals to negative 1. We shall call this equation 3. Then equation 4, we are going to simplify in a series of steps where we first write log m squared to minus 1, then base 25 over 100 for 0.25 plus 9 log n to base 3 raised to power 3 for 27 equals to 5. Simplifying further, we have log m raised to power minus 2 to base 1 over 4 plus 9 times the logarithm of n to the base of 3 raised to power 3 equals to 5. This also becomes log m to the power of minus 2 or negative 2, then 4 raised to power minus 1 in the base plus 9 log n to base 3 raised to power 3 equals to 5. Another law of logarithm, which is similar to the first one that we have used, is that when we have the logarithm of x raised to power a to the base of y raised to power b, it is a over b times the logarithm of x to base y. Applying this on the left hand side, we have negative 2 over negative 1 log m to base 4 plus 1 over 3 times 9 log n to base 3 equals to 5. Finally giving us 2 log m to base 4 plus 3 log n to base 3 equals to 5. This we call equation 4. Now we're going to make some transformations, since in both equation 3 and 4 we have log m to base 4 and log n to base 3. To transform this, we can let log m to base 4 be represented or be transformed to p, while log n to base 3 be transformed to q. Doing this, equation 3 is going to become p minus 2q equals to negative 1. And equation 4 becomes 2p plus 3q equals to 5. We can call what equation 3 becomes equation 5, and what equation 4 becomes, we call it equation 6. So we'll be solving the simultaneous linear equations 5 and 6 to get the values of p and q first. Using the substitution method from equation 5 and making p the subject of the formula, p p equals to 2q minus 1 by adding 2q to both sides. Let us call this equation 7. Then we're going to substitute for p in equation 6. This means that we have 2, then substituting 2q minus 1 for p, then plus 3q equals to 5. Using the distributive property to distribute 2 into the parentheses, we have 4q minus 2 plus 3q equals to 5. Then 4q plus 3q is 7q, and we're adding 2 to both sides, 5 plus 2, meaning that 7q equals to 7, and dividing both sides by 7 gives q to be 1. This value of q, we put it in equation 5 to get the corresponding value of p, meaning that we have p minus 2q, that's 2 times 1, equals to negative 1, and p minus 2 equals to negative 1. Adding 2 to both sides gives p equals to negative 1 plus 2, and p is 1. So p is 1 and q is 1. It is now time to substitute back into the logarithms that we transformed from. You will recall that log m to base 4 is p, and log n to base 3 is q. This simply follows that log m to base 4 is 1, and log n to base 3 is also 1. And by definition, when the logarithm of x to base y is a, it follows that x is y to the power of a. This means that m is going to become 4 to the power of 1, yn is 3 to the power of 1. Therefore, m is 4 and n is 3 as the solutions. We can check the validity of our solutions with any of the original equations. So we're using the first equation, log m to base 4 minus log n to base 3, n squared to base 3 is the left hand side. Now putting in the values of m and n, we have log 4 to base 4 minus log 3 raised to power 2 to base 3. This becomes 1 for log 4 to base 4 minus 2 log 3 to base 3, and that is 1 minus 2. For 2 log 3 to base 3 is 2 times 1, and this is negative 1, which is the same thing as what we have on the right hand side. Hence, our solutions, m equals to 4 and n equals to 3 are valid. They are real. I believe you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and help share it. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, why not do so right now and click on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any updates coming from our channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a lovely day.